مدرسے کے طالب علم محمد صدام حسین لیول 5 سے ملتمس ہوں کہ وہ آئیں اور انگریزی میں ہمارے سامعین کے سامنے اپنی تقریر پیش فرمائیں.
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم نحمده ونصلي ونسلم على رسوله الكريم اما بعد فاعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحیم. Respected chief guest, honorable teachers, my dear friends and listeners, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I feel honored to speak on the importance of madaris in our society. Dear listeners, madaris hold a special place in Islamic history. They are not only the centers of religious education, but also the institutions where students learn discipline, morality, and a good character. Madaris have played a vital role in preserving and spreading the teachings of the Holy Quran and Sunnah from generation to generation. Honorable attendants, Madaris guide students toward the right path and help strengthen moral values such as honesty, humility, kindness, and responsibility. In today's fast and materialistic world, these values are more important than ever. Dear audience, education needs balance. Along with religious knowledge, modern education is also essential. That's why many madaris have introduced subjects like science, English, mathematics, and computer studies. Alhamdulillah, Darul Uloom Muhammadia is a shining example of this balanced system. Here, students receive strong Islamic education along with modern subjects, enabling them to face modern challenges with confidence while remaining connected to Islamic values. Dear listeners, finally, I request you to try so that it remains a beacon of light for the future generation. This approach enables them to play a positive role in our society while also holding firm to their values and beliefs. Thank you for listening.